Okay, here we are in Macau, and sun's gonna start coming down. We're in this Patane area, and I'll just give you a little. We're gonna walk through this park, and basically what I'm walking is towards this new border gate, which is gonna be up that way, and we're just gonna see what we can see along the walk, and then that might be a separate video, but this will be the one in the meantime. So yeah, this is Patane, and this is a little bit of a bay right here. So let's go check it all out. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Yeah, the sun's just starting to set right there. Looking nice. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're in this Patane area, and what we're gonna do is just follow this up, and we're walking towards a all these ships coming, all these ships parked in here. We're walking towards the new border gate, and that's a green island, Verde Ilha. You got lots of people kind of hanging out around here in this park area. So we'll capture what we can capture, give a little slice of Macau. Let's see. I wonder if they're gonna. I thought they were gonna join each other. So we're gonna head all the way down, straight all the way this way. Little playground area. There's that sunset again. Okay, so we got some kids playing here, some playground area. I think that next one we have some mahjong players. Wouldn't mind seeing that. That's Green Island over there. Green Island used to be a separate island, but now it's part of Macau, because it's kind of the earth kind of joined everything together a little bit. I think that's let's just kind of walk through here. I think they're playing mahjong. They're just kind of playing some card games and things like that. Yeah, let me just see. Yeah, I think they're playing cards. I'm gonna walk. I think for some reason it's kind of raining in here. Don't know why all the water is in here. Okay. These are little, I guess they kind of give you some sun protection right there. Not bad. Each one has its own little sun protector, but doesn't the sun move around quite a bit? So I don't know how effective that would be. So we're still walking along the Patane area. Yeah, this is all changed. Actually, not too long ago, this is all under construction. Because not too long ago, I remember I had another one where, no, maybe it's still the same. There was a guy that I caught fishing. I'll put it at the end of this one. This was a couple of years ago. There's a guy that was fishing illegally. It's kind of interesting. I got him on camera. I was watching him try to fish for a while, and there's all these signs that say no fishing, and he had his camera trying to fish, and it's kind of he just had like something kind of makeshift. So at the end of this one, if I remember, and hopefully I do, I'll put it at the as a thumbnail at the end, and then you can view it, and it'll say something like, yeah, I was capturing something like this. Another time it says no fishing, right? And there's some guys fishing right next to the sign. Okay, so we're walking along Patane. We're just gonna keep on checking everything out. This bridge, you can take it and it kind of goes through a few things, so if you're in a car, it's kind of nice. Okay, let's just see here. Some birds had a nest up there. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking. See what we can see here. There's what we're looking for. This one right here. So this is that is it right there. So Posto Fronterizo Qingmao. So we're gonna be looking for that one. That's the new border gate. Just opened up. So we'll just keep the video on and just walk that way a little bit, see what else we can see. And we're also on this main street here called, I think we're on Rua do Sol, Patane. Yeah, Norte, no Patane. That goes into the Green Island right there. So it's kind of like more industrial. And we're gonna be walking this way. That's the street that we just walked on. And that's Norte del Patane right there. So that we just did that little stretch. And that might be the name of our video, because usually I try to do streets. It's a Green Island straight that way. What's the name of this street here? This is called Avenida do Caminador Hoyin. So we're gonna keep the camera going and just get all the way up to the news station, and then I'll probably do a separate video there. So all these people, it says the border gate. So they might actually go to, there's another border gate that was a traditional one. Some basketball players over here. So you can see them all playing basketball in that area. So we're gonna keep on walking all the way up. And all these people must be going to the border gate as well. So yeah, the border gate is right there. Okay. Okay, camera turned off, I'm not sure why. But we're pretty close here to the Qingmao. And it looks like we made it. So probably gonna do a separate video, but I'll just follow this crowd and we'll just kind of end this video by making it from Patane to, wow. Okay, we're coming into something else. So I might just end it in a minute and then we'll do a whole different video on Qingmao. Wow, this is all brand new. Yep, we'll definitely do something different for this one because this is kind of interesting. Okay. Let's kind of go back to the main street. So yeah, the other border gate is up that way. And we basically just went from that little street, Norte to Patane up to here. So let's just end it right here. Hope you like it. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.